Here we have a 2022 71 plate BMW X5 xDrive M40d. Now with this vehicle you do get lots of optional extras included, such as the Davit Grey individual paintwork. We also have 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 23-inch Vossen alloy wheels, which were specifically made for this vehicle. Now just hiding behind those, we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have your LED headlights against the Davit Grey paintwork. We do have lots of black accents, such as the black kidney grills. We have a full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler, and also a rear diffuser. Now I do have the M Sport Plus package on this vehicle, so you get the adaptive suspension. You also get the air ride on this vehicle, so you can raise and lower the vehicle when you need, whether you're going over some rough terrain, you can raise it, or like it is now, it is at its lowest setting, and really does look very cool indeed. We have your front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, power assisted rear tailgates from a touch or a button, and it's also split fold. You have a rear boot spoiler just up there. You have your LED rear lights. You also have the M50D badging on the rear. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of this vehicle, you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle with the M Sport stitching in the seat belts, pull down armrest, and you also have the ISOFIX points. On the doors you have your electric windows, integrated speakers with your ambient lighting. You have your M Sport mirrors just there as well. Now on this vehicle you do have the M50D seats in the front. Very cool seats indeed. Now they are fully heated, electric and memory. Now the passenger seat is just heated electric and the driver is the memory. You can also control the passenger seat by pressing that button, and you can use the controls down here to control the passenger seat. Taking a quick look inside the vehicle, you have your auto lights just down there. You have your digital dash. You also have your heads-up display, multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Now the adaptive cruise control, you do have to purchase a license for that. As you can see, it function acquirable. You just have to buy that via the connected store. You have your big screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front and rear parking sensor with rear reversing camera, dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats just there. Now on this vehicle you do get the Sky Lounge package. As you can see, all the little dots in the sunroof, that is the Sky Lounge package. So at night the whole sunroof lights up, and it is a very cool feature to have. We have your BMW individual trim, as well as the individual paintwork, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, and also USB. Storage just there. This is what you just control everything happens on the screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. You got your air suspension settings, your electric parking brake auto hold, different drive modes, track control on and off parking sensors, keyless start, the gear stick, soft touch leather armrest, storage just underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's M50D front seat. You got the M plaque just up there. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video, go through all different specifications and optional extras that do come with this vehicle. That is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive way finance. Thank you very much for watching.